everyone, today we have looked best Casio G-Shock watches under 200 in the market in 2021. Solar powered sport watch feature automatic timekeeping, time in 48 cities and EL backlight. Features 100-second alarm and 24-hour format, 31 time zones and date, 50mm resin case, Japanese quartz, movements with digital display, resin band with buckle closure, water resistant depth 200 meters, top 6, case and bezel material resin, double LED light, display tab digital, band color yellow, dial color black, drive system quartz, water resistant 20 ATM, top 5, item shape round, display tab analog and digital, clasp buckle, case diameter 45.4 centimeters, band material plastic, special features stopwatch, timer, world time, movement quartz, water resistant depth 200 meters, top 4, band material resin, silicone, rubber, style pilot, aviator, sport, casual, display tab analog and digital, case material rubber, stainless steel, resin, features timer, mineral crystal, Bluetooth, luminous style, day and night, luminous hand alarm, date indicator, LED display, world time, 24-hour dial, movement quartz, water resistant 200 meters, top 3, band materials stainless steel, resin, aluminium, style military, sport, casual, display tab digital and analog, features chronograph, altimeter, thermometer, compass, timer, atomic, radio control, alarm, water resistant 200 meters, top 2, Band material resin, tile color black, wash shape round, display tab analog and digital. Features shock resistant, date indicator, water resistant thermometer, backlight, compass, timer, volt time, alarm, movement Japanese quartz, water resistant 200 meters, top one, band material resin, display tab digital, case material stainless steel, features date, limited edition, shock resistant, movement quartz, water resistant 200 meters, case color gold,